I'm back. Hi everyone, I'm back. Woo! So, I fixed it. I fixed the problem. I figured it out. In fact, I figured it out so much so that I managed to make some nice movement. I'm so good, right? It was great. I did good. I feel stupid. It took me a painfully long time to realize what was the issue. It's okay. It all worked out. We fixed it. Everything's fine. So, yeah. Basically, the issue was, if we go back to the tile map over here, back to the game, the entire tile map was off-centered. I did not realize that. It had a transformation on it, and because it had a transformation on it, the grid didn't work. So, I fixed it. I just undid all the movements of stuff, and now it's working. And then I just snapped the player correctly, and now the player lines up to the board. I feel so stupid, because that's why I was running into errors, because I was the error was not the fact that I was running into a wall and nothing, and something bad happened. The error was the fact that I just ran into nothing, but it looked like I was running into a wall. Oh my gosh, I feel so good. But yeah, so for the time being today, we already had the stream earlier today, of course. It's gonna be great. This was great. This was such a nice learning experience for all of us, right? More than that though, I hope everyone has eaten nicely, had a nice, lovely, yeah. Everyone had a nice time, while I was doing this. YouTube, are you okay? Are you high, YouTube? Yeah, okay, hey Sam, hey, thank you for testing that YouTube is actually working. YouTube is like bugging out on my thing. Okay, YouTube's no longer bugging out. Yeah, I heard the little music. I heard the music. Oh my gosh. Yes. Hold on, let me take a pause real quick on the music so I can hear it again. But yeah, I really like it. You did good work. I think, can you make it less happy? I think this seems like something you'd play in Stardew Valley or Harvest Moon, right? It's very calming. I really like it, but I think it's a little too happy for what I'm trying to do. Of course, if you can't fix it, that's all good. I'll just I'll make do with it, and it works beautifully. But so thank you so much for doing this. But oh my gosh, that's good. But yeah, Sam, I don't know if you caught my little rant earlier, but I fixed it. I fixed the issues. I fixed the issues with the movement. Now it all lines up. It works. See, every single tile is moving, and yeah. The controls are a little buggy because it's tweening, right? So, yeah, the position, at the very least, the position works. Of course, it could use fine-tuning, but we have the movement done, which is really burp. Excuse me. It's really nice. It's really nice. But yeah, with the tweening works, all it needs is tweaking, and now I will put a raycast on. I'll plop a raycast on it, and by putting a raycast onto this, the movement's really good. Yeah, oh, you might not know this, but yeah, it's kind of like playing the old Snake, where there's like a slight delay on it, because you can't move when it's still moving in between tiles, so you can't change directions. But it works for what it is, and it just looks buggy because of how it is. But the other thing we need now is for me to put a raycast on it, and with the raycast on, it'll be good. So, give me a second here. This. I need a raycast. Where's my player? Go to player and then add child node, go to arraycast. There we go. I don't know how big this should be. I feel like the sprite is misaligned. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's why. Does the game have a dark, sad, spooky, or is it neutral? It's not neither happy or sad. Think of it like you're exploring a lost thing because you don't know how you got there. So like, think of it as if you're lost, but there's a sense of mystic to it, like a sense of elegance. So yeah, not really spooky, but more like I wouldn't say dark either, or at least not full dark, but a sense of mystery. Yeah. We can put that in because it's a puzzle game, right? You're trying to find the clues of what happened to this. As of now, this unspecified lost civilization, which probably isn't really a lost civilization, but yeah. Right, there's a raycast on now. Therefore, thank you. Yep, okay, grab the thingy, go to here, grab the raycast and put that in here. But yeah. At already var raycast 2D is equal to this. How many more hours left? I have till Wednesday. I may be able to stretch it till Wednesday at night. If I can ask, I probably will be able to do that. Because this gives me the entirety of Thursday. If it doesn't work, it gives me the mornings for like a solid 4 hours on Thursday to be able to just fix as many bugs as I can. If there's bugs when it comes to having the person try to run it on their computer. Ideally, with this, there should not be any bugs when it comes to the walking at the very least. But now after I finish the raycast to determine what interactions you're having, then, yeah. You love to playtest? I'll put it up and play. I'll put it up. If I do have the time, I'll put it on itch. If I don't have the time, we can work on it afterwards. We can put like an initial process on afterwards and just say this is like a playtest demo, and you can have some fun trying to do it. Or I could just release like an exclusive like zipped folder on Discord, and you guys can just play it on there. I don't know if Discord allows me to do it because I don't have Nitro anymore. I mean, I never had Nitro. I don't have the 10 gigabytes anymore because Discord wants to be stingy, which is fair, but okay, wait, I got this. Raycast 2D dot target position is equal to the direction multiplied by 16. That makes sense. But yeah, the progress you did on your game so far, incredible. Thank you. I feel Force Raycast update. If Raycast 2D dot is colliding, return. Oh yeah, that makes sense because you can't. If it's collided, you shouldn't be able to do that. You shouldn't be able to move. What are you bugging out for? Oh, let me see. Oh, whoops. I keep forgetting I abbreviated this. There we go. Okay, yeah, don't mind me. This is now bugged again because I had to center it. So let me fix that. There we go. Ta-da, now it's centered, now it's working. See? With the raycast too. Now what's needed is the change in animation. I forgot how to do that. I know it's I know it's really easy, I just forgot. Right, okay, I think I made this work. Ah yes, okay, got it. Okay, let's see, let's put the animation onto the test real quick. Play anim movement. This is the variable for direction to get us the current from the current direction, because we have input underscore direction, which will give us now the direction for that. Now the var anim is going to be equal to the animated sprite 2D. There we go. Live again? Hi, Evie. Hi, yes, I'm live again. Welcome. Yeah, it's gonna be like this for today and tomorrow. Maybe Tuesday as well. There's a pretty high chance I'll be doing this again on Tuesday. But yeah, essentially, with all this happening right now, I fixed the movement speed. I'm currently trying to get animations to work. It's a small thing, but if I get animations to work, then that'd be great. Today and tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow and then Tuesday. You're getting daily streams from me for a short while, and then I have to go back to the grind. So there won't be a stream next weekend. You just gone home? I hope you had a good day. I hope you had a good day. Yeah. So if the Dura Vector 2 is right, then what will happen is nm.flip_h will be equal to false, I think. Yeah, because if I go here to player and then I go into animation, this, which is the side? Oh, it's left. I'll deal with that if it comes. It's just a quick, simple flip this if it's true or not. So if it's moving, right? anim.play the anim that it'll play would be side a run. This is what's gonna happen, right? And then else, if it is elif moving equals false, then anim.play side idle. There. Else play anim 0. And for all of these, it will be play anim 1. My apologies, Evie, for not being really into this chat at the moment. I figured I'd just stream this because it's fun, and also because you guys can help, and that it's another set of eyes on what I'm doing. It's meaning that if you catch something that I miss, and yeah, it makes my life a whole lot easier. And I'll play side run. There we go. And then if the direction is going to be considered up, then we don't need this part of the code. If it's moving, it will play full up, would be backward run, and then this one would be backward idle. Then finally, it's gonna be forward, which is down. which is nice. Drake, hello Xavier. Yes. Now that things have been happening, now that you can see things happen, guys. Forward run, else it will be forward idle. And in theory, let's see. Ooh, no. That ain't supposed to happen. What's going on? Huh. Oops. My bad. That's supposed to be 1, this one's supposed to be 0. That would explain it, I had the wrong variable, that's why. No. What's wrong now? Input underscore direction would be equal to vector 2 to up, down, left, and right. Oh. Hold on, I think I figured it out. Oop, there we go. So, animations work, but they don't change direction. What could be the issue here? Hold on, what if I just comment that out real quick? Is that the issue? Yes, that was the issue, but part of it, because there appears to be a slight delay between what animations play and when they don't play. What happens if I... Okay, there's a little delay that's going on, and I wonder why. Because there's a delay in what buttons, when a button is pressed. Yeah. It'll only change after, this thing only changes after the movement is finished, which is weird. Very, very weird, in fact. It shouldn't be like that, at all. Alright, listen, I'm happy with the progress of the movement so far, but this is just movement. I need to fix this. Huh. It needs to change animations immediately before it's even pressed. Oh. Oh, I see why. I just put it in the wrong place, I think. Because if you do it like that, then you only get the in- Oh my gosh. Because then by the time you call it, the input direction will be set already. That makes a lot of sense. There we go! Guys, am I smart? Am I a genius? Am I... That's why. Now this little rogue works! Hee. He's moving. Right, now I just gotta go to the project settings, and then find the... input map, there we go. Left is A, go down here, right is D. A physical, right physical, up would be W. Down would be S. Now if I did that right, now I can use WASD. I can use WASD, guys. I did this. I did this. Are you proud of me, guys? It works. It works. I'm pretty well lined up to the tile map too. Yes! Yes! Right. Okay, now what? Yes, we want first we want to have Huh. We'll be using this tile map more for more testing. So we probably want next some form of an item that we'll be adding to this. So I'll make a new... since this is just a test, right? Make a new node, drag the chest in there. Oh well, wait, I first need a sprite 2D. This gives me a new texture, which allows me to, in theory, be able to drag this inwards. Yes. So if I line this up correctly, that chest fits the entire square, which henceforth means now I can add a collision. Collision shape 2D. Create. Let us define this as a rectangle. Close enough. So in theory... Oh, well, I guess not. What is it asking for now? Oh, wait, I need a character body. Whoops. Change type to character body. There we go. And you cannot... yeah, you cannot do things with it. I feel like this should be a full 16 by 16 though. Well, it's a little buggy because I think the sprite is buggy, that's why. But okay. How do I set the... How do I make this... Hi, second. Hi, Cheesecake, hi. I'm currently trying to fix this box because this box is, I guess, not working. So, how do I need to know how I change its size to 16 by 16. But yeah, I hope you had a good day. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Wait, no. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, maybe that works, I think. Hell yeah, it does! Now it's no longer bugging because it's 16 by 16. And it looks good too. I did good work with this. This is one of the most playable things I've ever made. I'm kidding. It's only because I haven't made that much. That's why. That was yippee! Are you proud of me, guys? It's so cute. It is, isn't it? The little rogue. Of course, I'm going to be designing my own character with this soon, but this is nice. $50 price point. If you pay $50 for it, oh my gosh. Oh. My plan for this game is this, right? If I really like how it turns out in the end, I will continue the game to its completion throughout my time at uni. Then, so yeah, maybe, you know, streams and stuff like that. Oh wait, I think you're still subbed, so you're still here, yeah. Yeah, so if I do continue doing development through this throughout the time, I'll release it on itch for free, but you can be able to buy it, or at least buy some of the demos, right? I may post it on Steam sometime in the future if I really, like, for free. itch.io allows you to do it for free. Of course, I can charge you, but I think some people out here who, I want this game to be available for people who cannot necessarily purchase it at the price point I can put on Steam. So if that does happen, I can just put it on itch, and the people who want to spend more are free to spend as much as they want, or they can just buy it on Steam. And I don't know how Steam achievements work, but if I can figure it out, I guess you guys got Steam achievements or something, you know? But yeah, lucky. I'm so happy with how this turns out. Now, the entire movement system is finished. It is correct, and then the raycast as well allows us to, yes, determine everything we need about it. So let's say we want, If the raycast detects a collision, then we can check and see what property the thing holds. That means if the thing is like a chest, for example, we can open it. Right? Yeah, we can do that. Right, let's see here. How do we go about this? If a collision with something that allows for a signal to occur. So we want this thing to hold a property, and I don't know how to do that. Or I don't remember how to do that. But yeah. Have you been playing any games lately, chat? Or cheesecake? A bunch of cool things happening. There's a bunch of things, you know. I spent all my pulls in Arknights. I did not get Salish, unfortunately. It was either her or Ashe, and I chose Salish. I probably could have guaranteed Ashe if I really tried to pull for Ashe, but I'm not really interested for Ashe, so... yeah. but limited. I know, but I'm not a Rainbow Six player. I don't really have a care for Ash. I would pull for her if I spent money in the game, but like super limited. I know, but it is what it is. Like next time you see her 3 years, I mean, at least by then I'll have pulls. Unfortunately, I just didn't. I know. I was probably gonna skip her, but then Salish came and I was like, you know what? I'll test my luck, and my luck failed me so badly about it. Like, oh my gosh, I spent all my pulls, and now W Alter's coming, and I'm like, oh, she's hot, and I want her. Yeah. It is. I'm broke. I'm literally broke. I have 0 pulls. Actually, no, that's wrong. I have 1 pull to my name. It's that bad. How's school and stuff for me? School and stuff is great. Is decent. I finished writing an essay and an exam. It was online though, so it was not really that big of an issue. But aside from that, which is very nice. But aside from that, there's also yeah, really, coding's not bad. There's still a bunch of stuff to learn and stuff for computer science and everything. But essentially, art is going fun, art is being fine. I would like to spend more time for art, but at the same time, I want to stream, I want to make this game, I want to do other cool things. So I'm really slacking off for traditional art. I have 2 art courses this semester. I have a digital art course, which is fine, and then a traditional art course. And the traditional art course is really fun. I really like the professor. She's really cool and awesome. But the same time is I can't dedicate enough time for it because I lose the motivation to do so if I have other stuff to do. So I'm like, I'll just settle for 70 or an 80. It's probably more like an 80. I feel like a 70 indicates that you did not fulfill the requirements of the assignment, which I believe I did. So it's fine. Like this year and stuff like that, I'd rather not try and aim for A's. I did last year and it did go well, but it didn't really pay off except for the scholarships I got, which I applied for and I haven't gotten them yet. So yeah. So my choice thought is this: if I keep streaming, if I keep doing art, and I keep making videos, which by the way, I have a video on my YouTube channel on Friday coming out. It was for the old collab I did a while back in August, but it was really fun, so I finally finished editing it and I scheduled it for this Friday. So if you want to watch that, you can. But yeah, my idea was this: if I just stream, I just draw, and I do, commissions, and I, get money this way, I feel like this is much more of a payoff than going for good grades. Also, for the end result, good grades really do mean nothing. I need more connections than anything else. And I joined a summer research thing this year, but the thing is, I'm not well connected with any of my professors because the lectures are too big and I don't really... And I need a computer science one. I'm taking art courses, but I need like a computer science internship. I can't do that, So unless, I stream and if I stream and, get noticed this way, then it will be an absolute blast, but otherwise, yeah, There we go. I thought it was off-center for a second. But yeah. Hold on, let me see what they do. Posture check? Yep, you got it, I'm tripping. You could see when I lean in, like, really easily, especially when I'm going in to, like, read something. When you lean in, it kind of looks like you're zooming into the screen, it's kind of funny. Yeah. It is funny. I didn't really rig it very well, I did my best for it, but yeah. I don't actually know how to do it properly, but I did it in a scuffed way, and it kind of worked in the end, so yeah. If I don't take off my jacket and do it, then it looks fine. If I do take off my jacket, it looks really weird, but... I'd rarely take off the jacket on this model anyways, so... There's no point in me doing that, so there's no point in me worrying about it. This is an interesting way of... let me, I need to look at how to do a collectible the way I want to do it. What I want to do is if you are looking with the raycast on the chest, or on the interactable, then you can press the E button and then you can collect it. I could just make it so that if you walk onto it or you collide with it, and then you collect it, but... The reason why I want to do this is because then if I copy this code into any interactable that doesn't need to disappear, then it allows me to just send a different signal instead, you know? Oh wait, I got this. Okay, wait. I think I got it. I think I know how. I think I'll try this way. Oop, no, not folder. Scripts. Create a new script. We'll call this whatchamacallit? Event controller. There we go. I guess I'll do this, whereby there's a signal for a level completed, signal interacted, and when that happens, I'll bring in value int. Because if I do, I don't know, I can do boolean probably, but yeah. Or, yeah, if I do a value of an int, and then I store it into a list, and then how I check if the mission is if the level is complete is if I just iterate through the list, and if it matches, I'm a genius. See, this is the best way to do coding. You just talk through it, you know? This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is very, very nice. Auto load? Oh, here it is. Global's auto load. There we go. Game controller, okay. Project settings. I'll collect a var. No, I want to do this then. Alright, let's try this then. Value bool. That way, from chest item interacted value bool event controller dot emit signal item interacted there we go, and then we'll pass along true. Actually no, if I just leave it blank, does that work if I just leave it blank? Alright. Yeah. I'll search out this one then. Interact on raycast. Good-o. Yeah, let's go back into player real quick. Button press, left, right, blah blah. Wait, oh, huh. Let's put E for now. UI underscore interact. There we go. Now, this will occur in the physics process. Okay. If input dot is action just pressed, is action pressed, UI underscore interact. When that happens, and arraycast underscore 2D dot is colliding, print, we will print out, let's print out, interacted. Let's try this, before we get any further. It interacts more than once. Okay, that does work. Now what? Is action just press? Or just released, actually. That might work better. Yes. There we go. You can't interact there. You can't interact there. You can't interact like that. No, 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 no. Yes! The interactions worked then. Because then if you do just released, it only triggers once. I did good. Yeah. Let's keep going. Let's keep this flow. Let's keep the flow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, let's save this for now, and then let's go. Oh, that works even better. Print interacted. Var collider is equal to the raycast that we just made. 2d.get collider. Collider.on interact. So then what we need to do is we need to go to node 2d, attach a script to it, call this interactable. This will be the base interactables, but we can scrap all of this. On interact. Print object receives. This is a fun, nice little test. Then we can go back to the player. And in theory, interacting, object receives interaction. Yes! The game's working. The game is working. We are working. We are doing this. We're doing this. We're working, maybe. What next? Right. So So there's an event controller and a game controller. So what this will do is it will... If I attach a script to the game scene and then switch that game script to... Yeah, because then if I have different levels, what can technically happen is... Right. Okay, wait a second. Interact? Game controller dot coin. Wait, no. Dot item interacted. True. Self.q free. And that should... Oh. Okay. Oh, thanks for the follow, Bastix. Thank you. Whoa. Okay, so I think we have a general gist of what we want here, and because it's clear that the interactions work. I will figure out how to do the game controller stuff later, but for now... How do I load levels? That's what I want to know. Yeah, okay. If we have, essentially, the movement, we have the interaction. Now we need the level switching. Because that's one of the only big things that we need, the level switching. And with level switching, we are able to Yeah, let's work on level switching first. I want to know what's the best way to do that, because I remember doing it once on a different project and it did not go so well. Huh. Huh. Let's see, what did they do? I don't need the on-body entered because all I need to do is just send a signal through and then check the signal. Yeah, if I do a signal that says check if level is passed, if like a certain level is passed, I make a dictionary for it and then catalog the dictionary so that if there is a signal in the one of the dictionaries and it matches up, then we check it out and we say, hey, this works, and then for the next second level we just iterate it by one or even just remove it. Yeah, no, we iterate it by one because if we do, then in theory, after we leave, we can just come back. If we wanted to do it like that, where you are able to go forwards and backwards through levels. That is something you can do. Yeah. Wait, what do you guys think, chat? Do you guys think to have all of the entire game in one scene and that's it? Or if we want to have it so that we load multiple levels, or we figure out how to switch in between levels, so to go left to right and right to left and still save progress of the original level? I think it would work better for a puzzle game if we were to go back and forth between levels, because then we can have hidden hints and secrets at the start of the level that these clues will eventually build up to later levels. Let's try and do that. The problem is, how do we do that? How do we save things? How do we save the status of things that exist? What we can do is make a giant catalog, but Okay, you know what? Yeah, let's try this out. Okay, so if I were to have rename this to level, and then set the interactable script into here. Yep. Oh, it works. Yes, we can delete that. Nice. Hello, hi! Welcome back, Easy Cheesecake. We figured out what we're doing next. Firstly, the chest now can disappear after interaction. Now obviously, sometimes we don't want it to disappear afterwards, but because it exists, we know how to do it now. So all we need to do is just undo or uncomment something, or for something else to happen, you know? But... essentially after this, though, we want... Yeah, we want to switch between levels, so I'll rename this to... test level. Duplicate it, and call this test level 2. So now we have a second level, and the second level's difference is that to notify that we have a difference, we will go back to the tile map. We'll go into... we'll just plop, yeah, we'll just plop this here. Doesn't look right, but it's an indication that we have a second level. So now what do we do? How does this person implement it? Okay, wait a second. What? How do my scripts work again? Right. If I were to go to the game controller from item interacted, it'll go to the event controller. Game design is so interesting, like all the thoughts that goes into the small details like that. Yeah. So you're like thinking, like in general, you'd think like, oh, it would be kind of easy for you to just say, hey, this player, if they're bumping into this, they can't move into it. But once they hit the interaction button, then they can, because there's multiple ways to implement it. I decide to use this little arrow that indicates, hey, if this arrow is pointing there, you're interacting with it. But then you have to be like, okay, what happens if you do interact with it? How do you want to change levels? Do you want to change it so that, you know, you just +1 and then you change the new level? Or do you want to, so that you have to... How do you go back from a level? How do you switch between to and from a level, right? Because what I want to do is say, if this is a more like side-scrolling kind of thing, if it were to go to the right of the screen, it go to the left of the next part, but I go back on the left, it has to remain at the right and the entire save state. So let's say you kill enemies, all of these guys will be gone. You know? Yeah. The biggest problem for me is the fact that I'm not good at Godot. I literally only just started learning this this morning, as mentioned before. So, okay, it's not my first time using it, but it's the first time I'm actually like being the head coder in this, because I'm the only one. Because I do have friends who I could probably drag in, desperately so. But yeah, your hair's going wild? Yeah. It can bug out if I lose tracking and I just snap. I can do that. But I have cool, nice physics though, so it's fun. It's very fluky. Wee. Crack. Yeah, you just like snap my hand and go wow. And then, yeah. Condition the shit out of it, silky smooth. I wish my hair quality was just as good. My hair is kind of going bad right now. My flimsy hair, it's too oily right now. My hair's too oily. It's kind of bad. The pain of oily hair, yeah. Oh. Okay, wait, I know how to do this. I'll just follow this. Wait, this works. I just need to modify the code a little bit. Okay. I'll make another separate script. Call this the level controller. And through the level controller, we have to go to the project settings to once again put this into the globals to add into here to go, hi, here's the level controller. So browse into the script, into the level controller, and that allows us to add it into the global section so it's always on. So now what do we do? Yes, what we want to happen is this. If the game controller will see, okay, yeah, wait a second. Okay. The interactable, upon receiving this, will cause this to get something like this to happen. And then that means that the event controller will signal the interacted. And then the level controller will see the interacted, and then work from there. How do I want to set up this interacted though? Because the interactable on this current moment sets true and... what should it pass? Oh wait, yeah, it should set this to... okay, you know what? Yeah, no, never mind. I'm gonna set this to 1. Value int of 1. There's a reason why then. Upon this, we get the game controller, which is gonna be emit signal interacted 1. 1 and 1. What does this mean? All we need to do is go to iterate the next level because we pitched the signal. And then we can go into the level controller. And then upon catching the signal, where was that code? Where did I put it? No. Was it here? Signals, Godot. So this function will print this to get this, and then that will happen, so it will emit a signal. Hmm. Area 2D dot connect destroy dot connect with the thing. Huh? It connects with, how do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? Eyes out. I don't know, guys. Things are happening. Random things are happening. Whatever things are happening, I don't know what things are happening. Cause anyone know Godot wanna help me out here? We don't need the process, right? So, upon the game controller doing that, oh, wait, oh. Oh. Let's call this a level switch. And then we're gonna have on this value int. Wait, no, let's call this 2 then. And then have this be at 2. Because then what we can do is go over to here and then say, oh wait, no. If we have at export var next level equal to 0, we can then go into here to the inspector with this. And if we have, where was it then? Interactable. Because, okay, how do I phrase this better? How do I phrase what I'm trying to do better? Oop. There we go, let's switch to the music, yeah. Ah. I don't know what I exactly want, guys. Okay, no. I do know exactly what I want. I don't know how to do it properly. So, suppose we have on each level a controller, right? Maybe we should attach it to the game. Yeah, there we go. And then we go to project settings, and then we can delete the level controller because it's run with the game. So when we have a level controller, wait, can I add multiple? No, I can only add one. Okay. If we have it so that the interactable will give something to the item interacted. Hold on. Oh. Maybe? Hold on. Oh, okay, here it is. Right, I was just blind. Right, so now we have an interactable, and then this thing will be on next level. So every single time we do this, we have next level. It'll be assigned to the next level, and then the game controller will save it. If I have a local controller for the entire game per each level, the local controller will affect it by if we have a local controller, right? And then we have a win condition. If we meet that win condition in the local controller, then do you guys get what I'm saying? Yes, no, maybe, I don't know. Am I driving you insane? Am I driving you crazy? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Huh. Maybe I'm overcomplicating the hell out of this, but... Oh, outbreak. You know what? I'm going for water. Maybe if I stand up and stretch a little bit, I'll think of something. So I'll be right back, guys. Have I been muted the whole time? Oh my god, I've been muted the whole time. I've been talking to myself. Oh my god, you guys have been... hi, professional streamer. I've been muted the whole time. Wow, look at me, guys, look at me. Now, as I was saying, I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm trying to figure out an easy way to set up a win condition, and I'm seeing the process. I'm seeing it. Let's say if value equal to 1, let's call a global var, so var win condition equals false. I keep putting a semicolon. It's fine, I know what's wrong. Thanks, Yuki. Win condition will be set to true. Now levels, and then win condition will be set to true. No. We don't even need. Upon item interacted, we can always. We call you the coding guru, yeah, straight from the depths, burn. Yep. If we call the win condition as true, then what we can do is on this level switch, we can init. It's good, isn't it? I have no idea what I'm talking about. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm participating in a game jam, and I'm making a level. Levels are being made. Process? Okay, sure, whatever. Level switch. We're gonna call a level switch. And we don't even need that. We're just gonna call a level switch. Every frame, right? So if win condition, then yeah. What this allows us to do is then therefore set it so that there's a win condition here, and if the win condition does happen, we switch the level. What was the code to switch the level again? Test level 2.tsn, okay. In theory, is this, and it will bring us down into, and we can do this, so it's this every frame delta since it's a physics process, and then what we can do is go into here and add export file var dest scene, And then what we can do is just put the desk scene here. Things are working. Things are working. Oh, no, this doesn't work. What am I doing? Oh, what am I doing? Because this requires the interactable on interacts to send us something in there. Then we'll go to the main controller and then we'll set this up so that... Oh man... I screwed up. I think I might have wasted time. The more I'm looking at this, the more I realize... Oh no. No, no, no. This is no good. This is not good. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm actually stuck. Oh no. Yeah, oh no, easy cheesecake, I'm stuck. Cause the more I look at this, the more I realize that this won't work. Oh, I know how to. I might know how to fix this. Oh, wait, I have an idea. That revolves around me deleting everything, but... Well, actually, no. Maybe I don't need to delete everything. But what I do need to do is... On interaction of this item, I'll send the item interacted. If each... Yeah, oh, wait, never mind. No, I don't. Because if I do this and then set this to the win condition... Wait, no I don't. What am I doing? No, I do not need to do this. I can actually just... Yeah. If I go into the main controller to get this to switch the destination scene, and then we go into the main controller, which is over here, and then... the main controller scene over here. That sets the destination scene to the second level. And when that happens, it's part of the main controller. So what I need to do is have every single level have a different main controller. That way, the main controller, the structure of the file will always remain the same, which means I can probably, if I do this correctly, yeah, wait, okay, so let me review the code real quick. Upon the player interacting, which is using the UI accept, which I've now assigned to E, the raycast will get the collider, and collider on interact will go into here to the interactable. It will print the fact that the object receives it. The controller will then .item_interacted to the next level. The next level is just a formality for now, because this is going to be like the win condition. It'll go into the controller, which is the controller, it will go into the main controller. And in this main controller, firstly, we have a global variable, then we have the win condition. If it is the case that, yeah, if it is the case the value equals 1, or the win condition, then the win condition will be set to true. Win condition will be set to true, and then after the win condition is set to true, we can pause the event controller for now. We may need it later, but what we can do is just call level switch. Yeah. And then to test this, I'll duplicate this one, call this test level 2. And then call another one main controller, and then duplicate main controller 2. So then I'll go into test level 2. I'll set the main control script to main controller 2. Oh, actually, yeah, main controller 2, and then the test level to the first scene. And then go to the first one, and then set it to the second scene. Is this Godot? Yes, Jacob. Yes, this is Godot. Oh, whoops. I'm missing something. In here. Next level, set this to 1. There we go. That's the condition. That was my bad. Well, yes, this is Godot. Invalid call non-existent function on item interacted in base node 2D. What? I have no idea. I'm struggling. I'm struggling with this. Main controller and main controller 2 are both the same thing, so why isn't this... Okay, wait, if we go into, once again, Oh. Maybe. Is this Fortnite? No, it's not Fortnite. I've never played Fortnite. Someday maybe, but not now. Call of Duty? I've never played Call of Duty. Yes, the level switching works. The test levels work. Oh my god, that is insane. The level of hoops I had to go through to get this to work. Now we have a win condition, and now we have the levels. Is that Valorant? I did play Valorant. I did actually play Valorant for a stream or two. Didn't really work out very well, but... I wasn't a fan. Now what? Okay. We did manage to fix it. We did manage to fix the win condition. Now what we need to do... Because then each level has something different. So now... What we need to do is make it so that... How does he do it then? How does this person do it? Because then I want... And then he goes through to the back of it, and then... Oh, what I can do. I know what I can do. How do I send that though? How do I do this? Because every single time this happens, we go back and we can't retain. Wait. This is difficult. Game deving takes time. How do I implement it so this spawns? So this level, the status of the levels are always the same. I mean, are the same after we finished it, so you don't have to redo the puzzles after you leave and come back. Save position of character after switching scenes. Good though. 4. Yeah, you know what? Scrap the idea of combat. We just need to work on how the puzzles work, because that's too much time to do combat. This is an issue. How do I save the position and save everything upon going to the next level? Because I don't want to load all the scenes together, because if I do, then that's even worse on consumption of memory and stuff like that. So, save function it is. Alternatively, we could get rid of going backwards and then implement it at a later date, so that way I don't have to work on a save scene. That's not a bad idea, actually. Hmm. Um. Um. Hmm. Get node player. I don't know. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This is kind of bad. You know what? Screw it. This is too much work. We're not gonna implement a going back feature. Not yet, at least. So it's fine. It's fine. It's whatever. It's just gonna be purely a puzzle game. To unravel mysteries. It's just purely going to be a puzzle game. And then yeah, okay. We don't need local controller. We only need game and event controller. Hmm. Okay, you know what? Yeah, let's try it. Let's actually try making a puzzle real quick. A real quick puzzle. Yeah, actually, let's try it. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yeah, let's try it. How do we want to do this then? Okay, so we have this node here and this node. We can save this branch as a scene. That's fine. That's whatever. But what we do need though is I don't think we need to name this next level now. I think we need inside the interactable script. We will want our solution. We'll call this solution then. Oh, whoops. Dot solution. There we go. There we go. Now that it's called solution, what we can do is for every one of these, we can instantiate something different. So, this one, we want to name this one. Oh, we'll call this item 1. We'll just call this item, actually. And I'll just drag this into scenes. That's fine. Wait, how do I go into the item again? There we go. This should all go into... This entire item should belong... here. What? Oh. Yes, okay. There's one item, and I think I centered it, so now it works. Item 2, and then item 3. Three, 2, 1. Okay, cool. So now that we have that, we can go into the... Yeah. So for every item interacted by the interactable, will be sent the item interacted for the solution, or quote-unquote the solution. The result of this solution should be saved into the controller, because that's what it's calling. It's calling the controller. So if we call the controller and then say, hey, lists Godot. Lists and arrays in Godot. Right. Uh-huh. Keep going, keep going. Okay, yeah, okay. Drink. Yeah, Yuki, I'll drink. The moment we figure out the puzzle system, the system is the moment that we win, you know? get current scene. Is that possible? If I do this, and then what we can do is have a dictionary. Yeah, that way, if I do this right, then we could just have a database, well, not database, well, kind of a database that within the main controller, which will just check for every single... Yeah. Okay. We're making it. We're making this work. We're making this work. How do I make a dictionary with the scene numbers? Dictionary Godot. There we go. Var level underscore dictionary is going to be equal to this. So every single dictionary has some key and some value. Wait. Huh? Is this just something, Okay, whatever. I want to see what it prints. Okay, that's a lot more complicated than I would like. Okay, maybe not. Rather than do that, what if I just have a list that, what if I just have a thing that just keeps track of the entire area? So describing which level we are currently at. So um Dictionary of scene keys. Godot. Alright. Wait, what if I just have a save state? What if I just have a giant script and we'll just call this, yeah, a new script and just call it save? On Ready, it will just save the level that we're currently at, the number of levels. Whoops. Global variables Godot. Yeah. We're making this work. Eat the cheesecake. We're making this work. It's happening. I know it's happening. Get hyped. I would get hyped, but I'm actually kind of tired. But you guys get hyped, chat. Get hyped, get hyped. I'm making this work. We're making this work. I'll be streaming for another like 10-15 minutes and then I'll work on it on my own, and then tomorrow morning we start again. If I can't make it to a morning stream, it will still be the same thing as yesterday. I just stream it and make the game at the same time. And see how far we can get, because yes. Hmm. Singletons? Oh man, I'm trying to cook here, but I'm not really cooking. I'm kind of just I'm just there. Eh. Hmm. Making noises. What? Ugh. Yeah. It really do be like that. And honestly, I can't really stop it because I'm actually just lost at the moment. Because we have main controller and main controller 2. And what this will do is, what I want to happen is that to solve a puzzle. In order to solve a puzzle, we need to have a win condition. My idea for the win condition was that each interactable will sends a solution. You also do the same cursing softly? Yeah, I do too. The problem with being a coder is the fact that more than half the time you're just thinking, or just looking at your code and wondering what the hell went wrong. If it took me an entire day today just to get movement working, can you imagine how much more work I have to do to get more stuff? See, the idea is if I'm able to get all the pretty stuff done, not all the pretty stuff, all the ugly stuff done here, such as how to solve puzzles and how things work, and then tomorrow I can by tomorrow, and I also figure out how to do a dialogue system. Then by Tuesday, I can just spam as much as I can with the art. And after I finish the art, yeah, that's as much as I can do. So I'd say 3 levels, 3 different puzzles, that's really it. For that matter, right now, I just need to learn how to create a singleton. Posture check, thank you. I'm shrinking. Huh. E equals MC. Unfortunately, I'm not doing physics here. If I were doing physics, it'd honestly be easier. I'd be doing math, guys. You know? But no, here I am reading documentation, which is fine. I like reading documentation. Well, I don't like it. And he pops in the chat. What we do need is... What we do... How do we do this? How would I do this? This is a scene loader. It's giving me a scene loader for singletons and stuff like that. I don't mind. I already have a few automatic ones because we do need them for signals, but I'm trying to just understand how they work. You gotta make an animation where you're too lazy to do it. I gotta make a full game by Tuesday. Well, technically Wednesday, but it's still Tuesday. Because I gotta make sure the game runs properly, you know? You know what? What am I doing? It's easier to just go in the main controller and just level dictionary, not even level dictionary. Just a list. The win is going to be equal to 3, 2, and 1. So by that logic, all you need to do is if the value, add the value, right? Yeah. And then, yeah, var win is equal to this, and then var, var player input answer is equal to an empty list. And what we can do is if the we add player answer dot add dot append, sorry, the value. And when doing so, 312, he wants to make the answer 312. So if this matches, if player answer equals, I have no idea if this actually works, by the way, win, win condition equal true. Wait, let me actually Google this. Equate lists in Godot. No it doesn't. I thought so. How do I test the equality between arrays? Does it say? Get, find, front, filter, fill, erase, clear. I can use clear, but not. Is read only, is typed, is map, max, min, random, pop, I know pop, reduce, remove, resize, reverse, slice, sort. Does not equal left, left equals equals. I don't want to compare lists. Here we go. Let's see what. Checking? Yes. Let's go to here. Right, okay, you know what? Maybe I just need to iterate it. You know what? Okay, here's what I'll do. For I equals 0, while I is less than the win dot size I plus plus. Wait, how do for loops work in Godot? Let's see this. Oh, whoops! I'm doing this in Java. I'm doing this in the wrong thing. Let's say x in win dot size. If it is the case where player answer x is equal. No, let's keep it x. Whoops. Oh my god, I deleted it all. For n. Wait, no. N. Well, you know what? Yeah, let's go n because n in win dot size. If win. Oh no. Player answer n is equal to win n does not equal win n. Return. Else continue. Well, we don't even need that. If it is the case, for every n in win size, if the player does not equal to the win, it will return, else it will be true. So if the end of the loop, if we reach the end of the loop and it's true, we'll set the win condition equal to true. So in theory, yeah, let's try it. The answer to the solution is 3, 2, and 1. If we go back to the 2D section, this one 1, 2, and 3. 3, 1. So the answer to this should be 3, 1, 2. In theory. So to get to the next one, all we need to do is go to this one. Oops. What? Oh, wait, no, let's go to player answer.size. If player answer.size equals 3, then we'll put this in. If it is greater, else if return, and it will not even return. If it does not equal that, it will return and it will clear. Player dot clear. Else if the win condition is equal to true, then it will else if no, this will only occur if it's equal to 3. Let's try this again. 3, 1, 2. Yes! Yes, yes. Oh my god. Okay, now time to bug check. Let's try 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 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 it works. Alright, now it's time to not delete the item. So in the interactable here, we will temporarily comment this out. We're cooking, we're making this work. So 1, 2, 3 doesn't work. 2, 1, 3 doesn't work. But if we go 3, 1, 2, it works. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. Ah. Oh my god. I did it. I figured out how to make puzzle. Oh my gosh. I did it. Yippee. All we need to do is have a main controller in every single level, and if depending on the level we switch, and yeah. This is a simple way to do it. There's probably an easier way, using a singleton, and like just checking and seeing from the singleton, but I don't know how to do a singleton just yet, so... Actually, no, I do. I technically can. It's not that no. It's not that I can't. It's just it's just a possible. I know how to do this. For now, this works fine. We figured it out. That settles that. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm probably gonna log in for the rest of the night. I'm gonna clean up and then log in for the rest of the night and do some of this before I go to sleep some more, and then we'll continue streaming tomorrow. I don't know what I'll do for this one tonight, but I do know that yeah, I'll look into doing how singletons work more. I'll try and do that one. But yeah. Oh. I'm so proud of myself learning how to do this properly. But yeah. Ah. Puzzles, puzzles, puzzles. The puzzles are working. Because 312 is the answer to this one, so yeah, that's all we need. I'll make this easier for myself when I'm testing and just move the position of these inwards. So just to confirm one more time. 3, 1, 2. And then we move on to the next level. And then this one, because this one's the second one in the main controller number 2. Well, actually no, because in test level 2, it's the node 2 is like this, and the solution... We'll set this one to 1. There we go. And then in theory, we should be able to get back to this, although this is unnecessary. 3, 1, 2. We can just go back. Ta-da! See? Really nice. I'm so good. Well, with that out of the way, that's great. Yeah, let's call it here, chat. I'll see you all again tomorrow for more of this, because you guys will be seeing me tomorrow and Tuesday and... well, probably Tuesday. If I'm like really behind, I might just like ignore chat completely and just grind the entire thing out, but for the most part, I'd say we did good. So, thank you all for coming, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace, guys.